Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Today we have the same topic about the scaled bar graphs, but today we are going to discuss about scaled bar graphs problems, and they are we know how to make bar graphs. So, which is our problem solving with the scaled bar graphs. If I don't write here bar graphs, I write here scale graphs, then you can consider it as bar graphs. Okay, now here again, before we were for our bar graph and picture graph, we were have been working as a statistic teachers, and I told you what the statistic teacher is actually. The teacher of the stats, they actually deal with the data, and the data I have told you, for example, you are collecting from your friends who like Kahoot more, who like quizzes more, or who likes Prickle more. So that's the data. So you are going to work as statistics teachers and think like you have students, and how you can tell them how they can solve one step and two steps problem. Uh, like how many are more in your data and how many are the less in your data. And there are some problems we are going to discuss about in the scale bar graph. We have vocabulary words which we will be writing on our math copybooks: data, scale, bar graph, scale, picture graph, and scale, which you already now know what is the scale and which table you can use for your scale. Okay, now I have a question here. Who played more? There are numbers of players, Muhammad and Ali. Here you can see their names also. And here are their games. Muhammad played 10 games and Ali played 8 games. Who played both of them more game? Which answer you think is correct from these two numbers? 10. Good. So here you can, which table you can write to represent this 10 and 8? 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then you can draw here bars to represent your data. This is, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and this is 10. So I will draw here 10 and for LE 8. So here we will be checking which one has more, I'm sorry, which one has played more numbers of games. So here it has 8. So yes, good. Muhammad has played more and Ali has played less. How many total games they have played? So for total, how many? 18. We will be writing. We will be adding together. We'll be saying that Muhammad played 10 and Ali has played 8. So it will be 10 and then 8. And total will be our 18. Good. So let's go next now. This is my restaurant. Welcome. And I have a question from my restaurant. Here, what is my sale? This is my sale graph actually. What is my sale for pizza? 6? No, not 6. It's a little bit above 6, which is 7. What is for salad? Let's write here. Let's write it. For pizza, it's 7. Okay. For salad, it's 8. Exactly on the line 8. Okay. How much is for sandwich? 12? No, 13. A little bit up. Okay. And for soup? How much for soup? 4. Good. So here is 4. Now let's see what this monster is asking. His monster is asking if I add the sale of salad and pizza. Let's add the sale of salad and pizza together. What is the sale of pizza? Let's see. What's the sale? Seven. Okay, seven. And he said add uh, pizza and salad. Okay, salad is eight. Pizza and salad equal. 7 plus 8 will be 15. Total is 15. Can it be equal to the sale of sandwich? Do you think this 15 is equal to 13? No. So we will write no. Okay, let's go next. Here I have a weekly lunch sale. Like every week, I have food items in my restaurant, and I used to sell pizza, salad, sandwich, and soup. Same. How much is the sale for my pizza and bowl of soup? How much is my pizza sale in this week? Can you tell me? Good. 350. Here it is for pizza. And how much is the sale for a bowl of soup? Good. It is 200. So I will be making now how much is the total sale, which is going to be how much? You know how to add? Okay, it's going to be how much? 5, 5, 0. Okay, let's see now next. How much is the sale of sandwich is more than of pizza and soup? Let's see. It's asking about the sale of sandwich. It is 650. How much is the this 650 money or the price sale the sale is more than pizza and soup. Pizza and soup. This is 350 and 250 which is 550. How much is how much is how much is this 650? This is sandwich 650 more than 550, which means the sandwich is, let's write 650, and pizza and soup is 550. How much is more? To show this, we will subtracting it, and we will be writing it as 650 minus 550. How much will be answer? Is this correct? Good. So 100 more, which means my sandwich sale is 100 more than pizza and soup. Okay, now go next. I have a question here. How many more books? This is students, and there are the numbers of books. How many more books did Jessica check out than the Lewis? This is the books they have checked out in library. How many more books the Jessica? How much is for Jessica? 30. And how much is for Lewis? 24. So how much more Jessica checked than Lewis? You can see I have given here the hints. Here's this my hint. This is their difference, of, which we can see from the bars. So Jessica reads 30, Lewis reads 24. So what we will do? 30 minus 24. What's your answer? 30 minus 24. And what will be my answer? Can you count it? Okay, 6. Which means that Jessica checked 6 books more than Lewis. Okay. Now it's a question from you boys and girls. You will be doing your work by yourself on these all the questions. For example, you will check for there is on Thursday, I did not read it out all. Time spent on homework on Monday. For one pencil, 5. So I can write with you only the numbers, can help you with numbers. So let's check for the Monday how many was the time spent on the homework. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, good. Let's check out for work that we did on Tuesday. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, 30. Let's check for the Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Good. Let's now tell about the Thursday. But in Thursday there is no pencil. But here is they give us. On Thursday, Sam spent 10 less minutes than Tuesday. Then 10 minutes less from Tuesday will how much? 30 minus 10. Where you will go when you subtract 10 from 30? 20. Very good. And for 20, how many pencils you will make? Means how you will divide this 20 by 5? How much it will be when you divide 20 by 5? You will count the table of 5 till 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. 4. So here you will be making 4 pencils. Great. Here it is. What is the difference between the greater numbers of book checked out and the fewest number or the lesser number of the books checked out? Which one of these has which one of these has the greatest number of books checked and which one has the lowest number of the books checked? So here is for now 1 cupcake, 6 muffins. How many chocolate muffins sold? Then corn and blueberries muffin. You will check for how many chocolate muffins sold. First of all, you will write for corn. How much checked? 6 plus 6, 12. Then how many checked for blueberry? How many for blueberry? 6, 6, 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18. Then for chocolate, then for the nuts. Then you will see how much chocolate muffins are more. Okay, how much these are more than blueberry and corn. You will add blueberry and corn together and you will see how much is their total price and how much is this chocolate more than their total price. Thank you so much, students. Hopefully, this video will help you too much. This activity you will do by yourself, and there is also a reflection of the like worksheet. You can check in your teams this PowerPoint. So, best of luck for all of these. Inshallah, we will be doing great, and hopefully, you will be in the end of this session, you will be able to draw graphs and tell the difference and more and less and one-step problems, and you will be able to solve two-step problems. Take care too much. Must watch this video as much time as possible to understand more, to develop more knowledge and more skills. Take care. Bye bye.